Salut les gars, c'est l'Astroca, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo dans laquelle on va jouer à Subliminal. Je voulais faire une vidéo sur ce jeu depuis longtemps. Mais en fait, bah il sortait pas. Voilà, il voulait pas sortir. Genre, il se faisait que des... Il faisait que se faire décaler. Genre, depuis 2023, il est censé sortir, mais ouais. Donc, on va y jouer les gars. Let's go! Ok les gars. C'est parti!
Hello, I am you, or rather, a particularly articulate aspect of you. I am your conscious, your sense of direction, that faint voice on your shoulder that whispers, perhaps that slice of cake is a bit unnecessarily wide. That's often me. Though, admittedly, sometimes you don't listen. But that's all right. We're a team, you and I. A slightly disagreeable team at times, but a team nonetheless. Now, I imagine you're feeling a tad disoriented, uncertain possibly, like a sock that's lost its pair in the dryer of existence. But not to worry, this is perfectly normal. To start, your name is Caleb, and this vast void of nothingness that we're currently floating in is your mind. It's not always empty, of course. We're just doing a bit of maintenance at the moment. And actually, that's precisely why you're here. You see, sometimes our mind can get a bit gummed up,
Toboggan.
running low on that pure, uncomplicated joy that makes life worth it. In these times, we, or rather you, need to pop in and give it a small infusion of joy. A nudge, really, to get the gears of our mind back into motion. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves. There are a few precautions we should go over. I see you've centered your attention on our childhood basement. This is a great start, but not exactly what we're looking for. Our memories here, and their corresponding feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and soul-crushing guilt, are rather inconvenient. So, while I find a way to properly reorient onto our designated path, please find a way to occupy yourself. I'll be back momentarily.
Attends, non, c'était pas genre... Cable ou Caleb? Caleb. Ouais, c'était... Attends, c'était Caleb. Ouais, j'aime trop, youpi. Oh, cool. Ok, d'accord. Ouais, il y a des lettres. Oh. Oh. Attends, je vais toutes les trouver. Ouais, voilà. C'est pas genre Lily peut-être?
Might I suggest watching some television?
Pourquoi tu m'empêches de faire? Oh mon dieu. D'accord. Ouais, donc la télé, ouais. Non mais lui il me regarde, c'est une dinguerie. Oh. Elle a pas dit 5. Les... Oh, j'ai compris. Bon, lâche ça mon ref, attends.
I'm sure it's nothing. Here.
Oh, y'a un...
It seems we unfortunately don't have as much time as I'd hoped. We'll need to pop over to a different, happier memory rather soon. I imagine you're feeling a bit unsettled. But please don't worry. These knocks are just little intrusive thoughts. They're not real in any capacity, only little flickers of our imagination. Ah, and it looks like we're going to play a little precautionary game. Quite a simple one, really. Just listen to the doors on either side of this room, and if one starts to creep open, hurry over and close it. Just a little game of focus. You've got this.
Oh mon dieu, c'est quoi ça? C'est FNAF? Nerf, j'en ai. Ouais, déjà. Des chats et des chiens. Wow, calme-vous. Oh mon dieu. Mais...
It appears your focus is ever so slightly slipping. To prevent us from slipping any further, please ensure this memory stays fully and entirely illuminated.
D'accord. Oh non. Non, faut pas... Oh mon dieu. Faut allumer, éteindre les lumières. Allume. Ah, c'était sûr. Calmez-vous s'il vous plaît.
Wonderfully done, Caleb.
Quoi?
Unfortunately, it appears this memory is still exhibiting signs of unpleasantness, discomfort, and existential dread. So, rather than dealing with all this mess now, why don't we take a stroll around and try to focus on something else?
Effacer. Vas-y.
Ow! Caleb! I can see you're curious, but please, let's not interact with any more mysterious switches.
Il y avait pas genre un ventilateur ou je sais pas quoi et des canapés et... Purée, c'est bizarre.
Ah, let's not waste time. We have so many joy-filled memories waiting.
Ok. Non.
Ah, what a lovely painting.
C'est vrai qu'elle est belle. Oh mon dieu.
Imagine all the time
What?
and effort that went into making that painting look just how it does now. It'd be a shame if it went unnoticed.
Je sais pas. Oh.
Ah, let's not waste time. We have so many joy-filled memories waiting.
Les gars, c'était pas là. Ça, c'était... Je peux tirer avec? Bon bah allez, hein. C'est pas grave. Je suis censé faire quoi? Oh. Waouh! Oh, j'ai toujours mon pistolet.
Here we are. Welcome to our memory of the waterworks.
Ce sera tout et à la prochaine!